Supply chain is
It's everything. It's how
every process or activity that happens from the point of a raw material or an idea
and the inventory management of those goods.
how what you've got in your homes, in your office, everything has to get to you somehow, and supply chain is how that happens.
The program at Conestoga encompasses all of the different steps and all of the different aspects, everything from manufacturing and production control through the logistics process.
They tied it directly to industry, so you knew kind of exactly how you were going to use the skills that you were learning.
Conestoga College's 3-year Business Administration, Supply Chain, and Operations Management program prepares you for a dynamic and successful career. With hands-on learning and paid co-op opportunities through our network of industry partners, your highly developed skills are in demand as you launch your exciting career in supply chain management.
Of my graduating class of 2017, 100% of the students were working at one of their placements they actually had in co-op.
For me, co-op was really important because it allowed me to get my feet wet in a lot of different industries. So I broke up my co-op placements and I did 3 4-month placements at 3 different companies.
It's a really great experience, and it gives you those hands-on, applicable skills.
Our program is fully accredited by the Canadian Supply Chain Sector Council. By earning a Lean Six Sigma Yellow Belt certificate in continuous improvement, you'll be competitive in the global marketplace. You can work in public and private sector organizations, in purchasing, logistics, project management, distribution, planning, scheduling, systems implementation, and many more.
Essentially set you up to be able to manage or work within any portion of the supply chain within any industry.
The reason that we would hire Conestoga College students is they come prepared for industry based on their knowledge in terms of the schoolwork and the workload that they've been doing, as well as the hours that they put in school are similar to an actual work week.
Would you like to help increase profitability in a company? Do you want a flexible, challenging, and well-paid career? Then supply chain and operations management may be for you.
Conestoga gave me everything, all the resources that I needed and the technical knowledge to be able to do these sorts of things.
What you do here counts out there.